Hey guys, welcome back to Cutie Snapshot Cupcakes. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this awesome, trendy outfit. But this top I already had, so I'm just going to be showing you how to make the skirt and the scrunchie. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so I just undressed Jasmine, so she could be ready for the fitting. I'm planning on making a skirt. I don't know if I already said that in the voiceover, but yeah. And so I'm basically just going to do that. So I'm probably going to get a tape measure or something and measure the circumference of her waist, and then I will use that. But I'll see how this fits because I don't think it'll fit. Okay, so this is basically like how much I need. I have a bit excess, and if things turn out as planned, then I should also be able to make a scrunchie. Okay guys, so this is the finished result of the skirt. Okay, I'm just kidding. So you can see though, it fits really nicely. I want it to kind of be like a trendy fitted type thing. Okay guys, so I just put some elastic through. I'm just trying to show you how stretchy. Yeah. And so this is where I put the elastic. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Now I'm just going to hem this bottom edge, and I'm going to place it on the doll just to see about, this is supposed to be a high-waisted skirt. So I do like that mid-thigh length, so I think that's pretty good. So I'll see you guys later. So now I've hemmed it, and I would just fold it over, and I'm just going to try it on the doll to see how it looks. Okay guys, so this is the skirt. It looks really nice and I really like it. So yeah, it's kind of uneven, but that's okay. I'm not too angry about that. Okay guys, I'm about to make a scrunchie. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the scrunchie. Oh my goodness guys. Stretchy, it's got stretch. It's definitely a scrunchie. It's on her hand. Guys, I love it. And it goes with the skirt too. Well, thank you guys so much for watching Cutie Snapshot Cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed me trying to make this aesthetic, cute outfit.